wa kry-a le gore le ena o tshwere sethunya ka re nna ke tsebe sethunya jene ke se tshwere as a criminal e tshwereng sethunya intention ya ka o tshwara sethunya ne se le gore ke batla go bolaya motho gore ke batla go thunya motho just it was gore ke tshosetse motho ke kgone go kry-a se ke se batlang ke tsamaye but o ile wa etsagala gore re nnetse re thunyana mo ga ba le motho e leng gore o shapa ke bullet and awe a le ka mara apartment ya hae so ona mo le nna ka thunyega a ke thunyega mo almost ke loser loto la ka almost ke loser bophelo ba ka ka re ke ile ka shapa ya ka for sure ka ke nna Tumsani Maphosa ke tswaletse ko Ndebele ko Siyabuso ko gae no le monate a re gola re le bana as a family no le monate nje just over around ko hae go ba le batswadi bana ba ko hae ke nna ke mama ka and then le bana ba ko hae ba 3 ya re 4 actually ko hae nna ke second born mo baneng ba ko hae ke hodile grande ke ya skela re ya kerekeng but along the way ka tlohela sekolo ke setlotse ka lebaka la dichomi just to be around on bad company of friends yeah so I ended up leaving school sometimes re le bana batswadi a ba re jwetsa dilo re bona nka re batswadi ba batla gore punicha or eng re sa bone gore ba try gore bontsha tsela so wena a o tsola go ntle go strateng go dichoming o tlhakana le dichomi go ba monate le etsa dilo tse tseleng like o thoma o tsuba bo dikwae bo dipatše and then the next thing you know it a o sa ya go sekolong so o tloetse sekolo ke ile ka tshwarwa 2006 ka di 14 January okay I was sentenced to 16 years ka di 31 January 2007 I was arrested for attempted murder and possession of unlicensed firearm. Ke ile ka tsena go building eo a ke tsena tlamile go nka koloi ya batho ke tshwere sethunya monna a zama ba easy go nka koloi eo ke itse ke sa le busy ke re ka nka okay wa kry-a le gore le ena o tshwere sethunya ka re nna ke tsebe sethunya jene ke se tshwere as a criminal e tshwereng sethunya intention ya ka o tshwara sethunya ne se le gore ke batla go bolaya motho gore ke batla go thunya motho just it was gore ke tshosetse motho ke kgone go kry-a se ke se batlang ke tsamaye but o ile wa etsagala gore re nnetse re thunyana mo ga ba le motho e leng gore o shapa ke bullet and awe a le ka mara apartment ya hae so ona mo le nna ka thunyega a ke thunyega mo almost ke loser loto la ka almost ke loser bophelo ba ka ka re ke ile ka shapa ya ka for sure company e leng gore ke yaka one day le nna ke gutle mo tronkong mo the way ke thotseng span ka teng le nna ke tlo change bophelo ba Sampodi
until my dying days. I wanna be father to my son. Stop living on this life until my dying days. I wanna be father to my son. Stop living on the run, in and out of jail like I was getting young. I'm tired of being a criminal with shame and disgrace. Instead of putting smile.
Namhlanje ngijabule kakhulu actually dala ngilindile lelanga lelo. Yeah, sekuyiminyaka nje ngilimele so ngijabule kakhulu namhlanje. I'm excited about going to start about this new job, so I hope I will learn as much as possible and then maybe they can learn something out of me as well. Umuntu engifisa ukumbona ukuqala nje indodakazi yami. Ke ikutlwa ke thabile haholo ke thotse mosebetsi no ke semolla chapter e ntšha ya bophelo ba ka at least mosebetsi o tla keep busy le nna ke tla khona hore ke be a law abiding citizen le nna ke tse ntho tse sharp ka bophelo ba ka go botlhoko go ba ntate ngwana hao a hole o steng mo khaufa hae go re dilo tse dingwe tse a di batlang ana motho ka mo kopang tsona hore mo jwetsa maybe le utlwa di friends tsa go sekolong di nnetse di bua ka bontata bona yena tse go re ntata ya hae mo khaufa hae go botlhoko for the whole week je ha batla lo tsamaya o shifta mo pelaka night batla lo mo pelaka ka re ke sebaka se stella sampone ka re ke tsamaya ke moshile she was around 3 years I think yeah a ke tsamaya so no ho ile haholo na thabile o mpona ke na go tella sampone although na tla tlo mvisita ko ne ke le go teng but na go ne ile nyane hora ka spenda le ntatae just for 1 hour nje ke na go nyana haholo
ke expecta hore a bereke a ntukisetse lelapa laka and then a ntsele makoti a godise ngwanaka.
I was once inspired by the guy abambiza uVela P Fisher uyu umuntu ukuthi uye wangizwa bang-interview eradioini uthi into ayangi-inspire ngayo lo muntu athi uqale as a shop packer aphaka ama-shelf ey'tolo ayenzani but namhlanje he's a CEO yama-Furniture City mostly owabonayo ngoba bekane-vision ane-goal futhi afuna ukuliricha furniture ke na le lerato la yona since from a early age ke bona ntataka a nnetsa etsa ka re ceiling mo ntlong o iketseditse di-carpet o iketseditse so nka no re ntho ke nkile ko yena ke etsa ka lerato la yona so ho ba le lerato la yona ke yona ntho e nka reng ya motivate hore ke tsoe each and every morning ke mosebetsing ke tlo ba able le ho lena di-skills tse ntjha tse ne ke sa di tsebe ka furniture le nna hore one day a ke re ka tswa go simolola company le nyaka se ke na le skill ka furniture in and out ke tseba hore ho etsalang mo finishing
ke mmone gore o change-itse a isa le Tumsane ola o na ile yena peleng ke Tumsane o a change-itseng o na le ditiro tse ileng gore di shetse di change-itse a isa le tsela tse ke di tsebang tse a ileng a tshwara ka tsona
since ngiphumile ngiye ngawalka around the town ngibheka nje ama-shop athengisa ama-tools yawona yewa quite expensive angifuni ukukhuluma amanga but I think ngizomanager one day ukuthi nami ngizithole ukuthi sengivulile ekuye yami company ngishintshe impilo zabantu I so wish nje ukuthi kungaba khona umuntu oyi-one nje onganginceda achieving le goal lami leli ngoba yithi ngiyabheka amathulusi adura kakhulu and ngithi nje mangenza ngenza i-quotation amathulusi engiwadingayo roughly nje azongikhosta boma 26,000 and it will take me isikhathi eside ukuthi ngi-achieve lelo goal leyo ukuthi ngikhona ukuthi ngiwa-afford lawo amathulusi lawo but one step at a time abafowethu ukuthi basesekhona emajele ngiyabacela ukuthi bangagive up elifini i-second chance ikhona empilweni and so now wonke ama-programs ukuthi bayawarenderisha lega-correctional services ngiyawacela ukuthi bawathathe.
Welcome to Nkabi Visual. This story is quite heartbreaking. I'm just going to go into detail and dive into it. Please, if you do have any comments, please let me know and I would get back to you. I'd like to say that, a wise old man told me once that you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. And unfortunately, I'm not trying to be mean or to be cold, but the place they sleep in is quite cold. So I'd like to say that I learned from this story and this case is that it wasn't his fault. A lot of criminals go into a situation where they see that carrying a gun can benefit them. But once you have a gun, there's a 50% chance that someone's life is going to be taken. And that other 50% might be your life. So it's not quite a good risk, in my actual thinking. What do you guys think? Dumsani had a quite lucky break. He's out of jail, with his mother. He can dream and dream. And if you'd like more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video.